Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the Euro Yen monthly, I'm still a big believer that this is still a big 1, 2, and 3, probably a 1, 2, 3 of C. I do think at some point it is going to go down, make a big correction like a wave 4, probably similar to the wave 2, and then go back up for a wave 5, probably ending up at this 165 area right around the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of ABC of B. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, you really have to notice that this thing has basically been making higher highs, higher lows this whole way up. Still all one trend since the bottom back here, the end of a wave 2. I still believe we're in a wave 3, and eventually, like I said, it probably will go down, make a big correction for a 4, and then back up for a 5. But as of right now, we are definitely still in that wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, even on the daily time frame, we are making higher lows right now, especially. So I am for sure, at least until I get a break of structure to the downside, I am definitely still looking for longs on sort of time frames. We're not at a Fibonacci level. We're not breaking any structure to the downside. I see absolutely no proof that this thing is over, and I am going to continue to look for longs on sort of time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I start to have my Fibonacci retracement on here. It does look like we have a complete trend right here, probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would expect to see a correction now. It's probably going to be a correction to this move up, go down to one of these Fibonacci levels, which really it could be any one of them, eventually make 3 ways down and positive up and continue the uptrend. So let's take a closer look at that on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I actually think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this move right here is probably the wave 5. It's just a failed wave 5, meaning that this first move down is actually a wave A. I bet it's going to make a correction to the A like a B and then probably down again for a C. I would expect it to go down at least to the 50, maybe even the 61.8 before we get that impulsive move up, a break of structure. If I do see 3 ways down, if I do see a Fibonacci bounce with a nice break of structure, that is exactly what I would be looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.